I'm Annika.
And I'm Mike. We're coming at you from Orlando, Florida.
And today we're going to teach you how to make the box camera.
Sell it. Sell it. You hate me. You love me. You hate me. No, you love me again. Very good. I love it. I hate you. I love you. Here are the materials that you will need. Pudding box.
Toothpaste cap,
Small cup.
construction paper,
Craft glue.
scotch tape,
Yarn.
aluminum foil.
And scissors.
Step 1. Cover your pudding box with black construction paper and tape it shut.
Step 2. Cut the bottom part of your cup off, leaving it around half a finger's length tall.
Step 3. Paint the cup black.
Step 4. Paint a lens onto the bottom of the cup. Do this by painting it all gray.
Step 5. Glue the cup onto the middle of one side of your pudding box.
Step 6. Paint a toothpaste cap all black and let dry completely.
Step 7. Glue the toothpaste cap onto the top of your pudding box.
Step 8. Cut 3 pieces of yarn that are the size of a ruler.
Step 9. Braid or twist the yarn together and tie off each end.
The braiding or twisting is up to you. Step 10. Tape one side of the yarn to each side of your pudding box to make a strap.
Step 11. Cut a small square of aluminum foil to use as a flash.
Step 12. Glue the small square onto the top right corner of your pudding box.
So there you have it, your very own box camera.
For hundreds more crafts like this, visit craftclub.com.
How'd the pictures turn out?
Well, let's take a look.
From the photo shoot.
Nope. No.
Come on.
Oh, ooh.
Are you serious?
Yeah. You're not gonna use that one.
Oh my
Ooh,
gosh.
this is really bad. We're gonna have to make a whole new box camera.